Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to find your Uber driver's number after a ride. First, open the Uber app on your phone. Make sure you are logged in with the same account that you used for your ride. Once the app opens, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on the option that says Activity. This is where you can see all your past rides. In the Activity section, scroll through the list and find the specific ride for which you want to contact the driver. Tap on that ride to open its details. Here, you will see information like the pickup and drop-off locations, fare details, and payment method. Now, scroll down to the bottom of the ride details page. You will see a section called Help. In the Help section, look for the option that says Find Lost Items. This option is used when you think you might have forgotten something in the car. Tap on Find Lost Items. After that, you will see another option that says Contact Driver about a lost item. Tap on this option. Uber will then provide a way to contact your driver directly. Depending on your location and the driver's settings, you might either be able to call the driver through a masked number or send them a message through the app. That's all you need to do to contact your Uber driver after the ride has ended. Thanks for watching.